Hi friends, good morning. Happy Pongal and happy Shankranti to everyone. Today, yesterday, Htfc Bank came out with the result, and there are multiple views on the on social media. Somebody is saying good, somebody is saying best, somebody is saying ugly, and somebody is doing bad. Whatever, there are a lot of views on their own perspective, but we will see how Bank Nifty is looking now, and what is the fate of Htfc Bank based on date first of all, and then we will talk about the uh, numbers as well as my system design. Okay, so now I will first share what I've mentioned about Htfc Bank on January 3rd. Okay, so we'll go to the PPT first. Okay, so this is on Jan 4th, and you all know that Jan 3rd and Jan 4th are the important trend change date for Bank Nifty, and this is what I mentioned. TCD, trend change date for 4th Jan is Htfc Bank, and it is having its combination TCD. Combination TCD means two dates coming together. It means it will give a big move, maybe on the upside or on the downside. Okay, so now that's what I mentioned. 3rd and 4th are continuous TCD. Watch out. And it was a disaster in 2021 because 2021 it has not moved at all. Being the heavyweight, but it has not done anything for Bank Nifty. Will it turn around in 2022? Okay, that was my question. And I clearly mentioned 4th high and low is very crucial for HDFC Bank as well as for Bank Nifty. Okay, this is the observation which I made on 4th Jan. Okay, so now, and I've already done my weekly observation. All is here, so you can watch out and mark this date. Mark this date. Market, in case if the market moves above from here, okay, the possibility of top out will happen on 19th Feb or on 22nd Feb, because the date was 21st February was holiday. So you can take 22nd February or 19th February, one day before or one day after, because the exact date is coming on holiday. Okay, so keep this in your radar. We will watch. Okay, so now we will go to chart and we will see this. And on HDFC Bank, I've commented that 1573 will be the major resistance. Okay, so here it is. Positional stop is 1480, which was the 3rd December low. 3rd December and 4th December are important dates for HDFC Bank. Okay, and if it holds 480, the target is 1563, 1597, 1631, and 1652. Okay, and after that, it did 1563, but I clearly mentioned resistance is at 1573 and 1588. I will show you why I mentioned these numbers. And market exactly, HDFC Bank went to 1573 and it started falling. Okay, so I will mention why. I will show you how I mentioned this resistance based on my system design. Okay, now we'll go to the chart. Okay, coming to Nifty, it is well above the cloud, so nothing to worry. And even lagging span is well above the cloud, and conversion line and baseline all below the price, so nothing to worry on Nifty. So I'm not going to talk about Nifty, so I'm closing this Nifty. Okay, so now coming to Bank Nifty. Okay, one day it closed above the cloud, but still the lagging span is within the cloud. It means indecisiveness. It has to come and break above. So normally it will try to break on 27th December. Let's watch. But the important number are 38809. And I've already mentioned that, just a minute. I've already mentioned these two numbers will hold as a major resistance, which is 39204 and 39304. Okay, These two numbers will act as a major resistance, and our monthly target, which is 38025. This has to hold. Okay, this was my comment, and this was our first monthly target. Okay, so yesterday it came down all the way, touched 3825 and closed above, but it is closed within the cloud, so it has to go above this cloud and close, and the important number is 38809. Okay, so now Bank Nifty has to close above 39809, and there is one more resistance at 38,400. Yesterday it tried to break this number but unable to break this number, which was actually, was Astro date high. So it closed, it went there after taking a support at 38025, but unable to close above 38,400. So once it breaks above 38,400 and cross above 38,809, then it is super bullish. Okay, but it has to hold 38,025 at least for 1 hour in case if the market comes down. Okay, so this is purely based on Ishimoku. And coming to Bank Nifty on pitchfork. Okay, so when I connected the dots, you all know that the median line will have a bigger impact on pitchfork analysis. So it is unable to close above pitchfork median line. It is close to below only. So again, I'm saying 38,809 will hold the key, because that was our number. After it crossed 38,025, which is our first monthly target, the second target which I gave for monthly is the upgraded target was 38,809. Exactly from there only it started reversing. So even on pitchfork, it is close to below median line, and in Ichimoku also it has not crossed above the cloud, and lagging span is within the cloud. The only cushion is, if you see here, conversion line and the baseline is below the price. That is the cushion for Bank Nifty as of now. Okay, so coming to the normal chart, this is Nifty, sorry. Okay, coming to Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is where it made the high. 38,809 was the number. From there only it made the top, and it started falling. So now 38,025 has to hold, break below this low, which is 37,929. It will not look good. All this I've already mentioned in my PPT, so kindly read again. Okay, so now coming to Htfc Bank. Okay, so the exactly yearly date, which was 20th December, it made the bottom. And second yearly date for the first yearly, this was the second yearly date in 2021. Okay, so exactly, even Nifty, Bank Nifty, most of the index stocks made bottom on our mega day, which I mentioned long before. So from there, if you come to HDFC, the first yearly date for 2022 happened on 3rd. Okay, so that's why I mentioned, you all know that yearly date I always mention in yellow color, and the immediate trend change rate, which is blue color, which is very powerful, which you all know. Okay, it happened on 4th. So this is called combination. This is called combination TCD. Okay, and if you go back, this was the beauty. Okay, if you go back, people those who are following for a long time, they know, this was the first yearly date of 2021. Okay, first yearly date, which happened on 8th July. 8th July high was 1538 and low was 1513. Okay, this was the 8th July high, and after that it fell badly. Then it went up, crossed above, and now still based on my system, it is still in sell only. So now till it holds 3rd low, which is 1480, we don't need to worry. Okay, this is number one. This is for positional. the short-term people, those who are looking out for 2 weeks and 3 weeks, it should not go below 4th January low, which is 1507.8. You can take 1507. Okay. The resistance which I mentioned, which is 1573 to 1588. Why? Because this was my system design and it is not able to break my system. And if you see, this is the 1573 number, which is the red color on the top line. And the second number is, even if it breaks here, it will face resistance in this blue color line, which is 1588. So that is why I gave these two number on 4th itself. Even if it pullbacks, even if it goes up from here, it will face resistance at 1573 and 1588. So now it is not able to break this 1573, started falling. Okay, now it is 1538. But don't expect a miracle run of 3%, 4%. If Hdfc Bank moves 3% or 4%, then Bank Nifty will go for a massive run. So 2% in Hdfc Bank is decent enough. So now this has to close above 1573. And till it holds 1507, which is the 4th January low, you don't need to worry on Hdfc Bank. But if it breaks 3rd low, you need to exit this company. Okay, for time being. Again, I will tell you, then we will see how it is taking a reaction at 20th December low. Then we will take a decision. So as of now, yes, the resistance is at 1573 to 1588, and 4th December low is the key. I don't know how how it's going to open, but one thing for sure is market is going to go give a big upside or downside move in the next 2 days time. Even that also I mentioned in my PPT. So this is just an update on Hdfc Bank. Okay, again saying it has to close above 1573 to resume the uptrend. And I've already mentioned the targets. All the targets is there on 4th January PPT. You can go and check it. The upside target I've already given. It has to hold 1507 on closing basis, or at least 1480 on closing basis, because this number is getting respected from July yearly TCD. That's a beauty of it. Okay, it closed exactly there only. Now it closed exactly there only. So watch out. Let's see whether this guy is going to pull the Bank Nifty to upside. One thing for sure, if it holds 20th, if Bank Nifty holds 20th December low, I'm expecting 50,625 is the target. Again, I'm saying this as the first miracle point is 35,721 to 35,937. This guy has to hold this number. Okay, if it holds this number, then the possibility is 50,625. As of now, everything looks good because market took the exact bottom on 20th December. I don't know how many people follow past, but the past history was amazing. But if you see that, you will definitely go mad. Maybe if you want, I'll show that a simple thing. Maybe I'll go to Bank Nifty itself and show you that how. That's what I always say, that market respect the past. Market respect the past. Okay, you see this. Even last year we made the low on 20th December. Okay, so if you go to last year. Okay, so this was 2020. Nifty made a bottom around 21st December, and you all know the date, which 21 December is the key as an yearly date for all the indices. Okay, March 21, June 21, September 21 and 23, and December 21. Okay, and this time it was happened on December 28th itself. Okay, leave this last year. You go back 10 years. Sorry. Okay, so this is 2011, so which is 10 years. Okay, so now Nifty made the exact bottom on 20th December 2011. And in 2021 also, it made the exact bottom only on 20th December. And after it went up, it came down. The same replica happened in 2021 December, after 20th December 2021. And from there, we had a big rise, which we are seeing. So market always respect the past, but you need to do a lot of work, whether it is going to respect the past in upside or downside. That you need to combine, Ichimoku, pitchfork, the numbers and all that. Then only you can decide whether it is going to do the upside momentum or the downside momentum. But the day high and low is the key. Very simple. Day high low is the key. 20th December, if it breaks 20th December high, it is buy. If it breaks 20th December low, it is bearish. Simple. But it respected the past which happened in 2011. But whether it is going to respect again for example, in 2022, we made a bottom here on 3rd of January. Whether it is going to respect in 2023, we need to take the day candle high and low, the specific day candle high and low. Okay, so now coming to Nifty, you already know that I have already mentioned that 22nd is the major date and 29th is the major date, and both are coming on holidays. So it should be 19th January or 1st of February, where Nirmala Madam is going to have a say. Okay, and coming to TCD. Okay, so now this is January month. So remember these blue color dates. Blue color dates will always give a major move. And just a minute, it got stuck. Just a minute. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. Just a minute. And I will definitely cover metal index separately. I don't want to club with Bank Nifty. Tata Steel, Hindalco, Nalco, and one more company that also I mentioned in PPT. So watch out for these guys. Maybe I'll show that now because it is just taking a little long. So I'll go to my PPT. Okay, so now I've given a clear observation on metal index because 14th January was the important day for metal index. Tata Steel, 14th January high and low was very small, so possibility of big move. And Hindalco, Nalco, and VDL. These are the 4 companies which had important trend change date on 14th. Okay, and these dates are valid in the month of February for all these counters. Okay, and especially I mentioned about NMDC. If it holds 133.5, actually 133.6. The target is 169 and the second target is 196. I will definitely cover all that in the later part of the video. So now system that I want to show you something which I missed. Yeah, so coming to TCD. Okay, Htfc Bank blue color. And again, Tata blue color, you all know how it is moving. And again, you leave Motherson Sumi because it is a demerger. They are giving another share also. So all that you leave. Watch out Cummins on 18th, Cummins India, and 19th Bajaj Finance blue color TCD. And see this on 21 Adani Coal India LNT and Bank of Baroda Coal India. Please watch it because it's a combination TCD. Again, it will be a big move. Okay. ICICI Bank, Seram Transport, S Bank, and ACC, Arofama, HR Motor, SBI. All these are blue color dates, and combination is happening here. Okay, I'll post it whenever it comes. So that's how now I just want to close this video. So watch out for Bank Nifty. So if we are in for a big upside move or a big downside move on Monday, maybe Nifty also may give 200 points, because the history says tomorrow it'll give minimum 1.96% move in Nifty. Okay, let's watch. It is 1.96% is what past data is showing. Let's see how Nifty is going to give, maybe on the upside or maybe on the downside, but it says 1.96% on Nifty. So take these numbers and plot it in your chart and see how market is going to work. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video. Please subscribe and comment it. That is what I want to know, because recently I made a video on how to find a bottom in in a falling stock. Just a minute. I'll show you. Go to my YouTube channel. Okay, so the logo will be here. Okay, so this is the one which I made 2 days before. I think yesterday I made this video, how to find the support for a falling stock. And the falling stock, I've given an example also, which was Dilip Bilkan, which was already 50% it was down from the top. So 18th January is the big date. Okay, so watch this video. It will be very good to watch. Let's see how market is going to, or the date is going to respect on Dilip Bilkan. Okay, so watch these videos and make a note of it, and then try to make some money. Okay, again, I'm saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework before investing in any stock or indices or mutual funds. Thanks a lot. And Bajaj Auto is on my radar. Okay, for Monday, my counters are IndusInd Bank, Hindalco, Tata Chem, Adani Port, Colpol, and Bajaj Auto. But Bajaj Auto is something else which we are working. Mostly Bajaj Auto is on my cards. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.